Hey, you guys, today there's a video of my fireworks stash part 2. First, part 1, not part 2. What am I thinking? Anyway, got some TNT, amazing fountain. It comes with 4 in a pack, and what this does is it goes up about maybe at the most 2 foot, and it sparkles, and it's a pretty good fountain for its size. And as you can see, I got 2 packs of those. Next, I got TNT glittering fountain. And this is a new style where you have to open up the box and light the stem.
I'm gonna put everything in your videos, Miles.
There. Yeah, that's my slow little brother, so don't worry. Next, we got some jade flower. As you can see, it's a pretty big fountain. It's probably about 8 inches long. As you can see, it's about 1.5 inch shorter than my hand. So yeah. Another one I got is butterfly and flowers. You have to take the tape off of these. I forgot to tell you about that one. And this one, you gotta take the tape off of them. And you like the fuse. I think if I turn a certain way, you can see the tape. But yeah, that's a pretty good one too. Next is I got 5 packs of bottle rockets, which each one comes with 3, and here they are. And I repeat, these are the rocket fountains. I forgot to say that these are not the rockets, these are the rocket fountains. And I got quite a few of those. Next, I got a bunch of these TNT ground flowers, which just spin around on the ground, and that's it. So as you can see, I got about, I think, 60 something of these. So yeah, and I'm gonna be making some more videos in my series of videos, so yeah. So I will be making some updates and everything. I just gotta get a chance to edit all the videos, and I gotta do a lot of other stuff, cause I'm in school, and school's been back for about 5 months now, so yeah. And yeah. So some new fireworks that have came out are the open show. You got open show. You got the one that's shaped like a bear. I forgot the name of it. And you got a few others for me for 2012. And I will have a another video up pretty soon of my fireworks show. Today is let me go and see. Today is 12/17, and today is December 17, 2012. So I got about 13 more days before I shoot these off, and I will be getting some more. Have $60 more to get some more fireworks. RP, I have $60 more. So here, where I live, you can only have ones that don't go higher than 300 feet. So I mostly gotta get fountains or some smaller bottle rockets. Well, bottle rockets don't go higher than 300 feet. So yeah. So I gotta get some of that stuff, and I'm gonna go. Next year I'm gonna try to go to a fireworks store in Alabama or South Carolina or
Wow.
Tennessee. So
Okay.
yeah. Anyway, I'll check back in with y'all probably in the next week or two. Probably I'm gonna try to start putting videos up more frequently. So yeah, check my channel out. Hit me up. Remember, like, rate, subscribe. I'm out of here.